In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable Promotions tab in Gmail. This is a simple change in your Gmail settings that can make your inbox feel cleaner and easier to scan, especially if you prefer to see all new messages in one main list instead of separated into categories. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, navigate to your Gmail inbox. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Gmail account because the inbox settings you change will apply only to the account you are currently using. When your inbox loads, look to the top right corner of the Gmail window. You will see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click that gear icon to open the quick settings panel. A sidebar will appear with several options, but for this change you need the full settings page. Near the top of that sidebar, click the button that says See All Settings. This will take you to the main settings area, where Gmail has several tabs across the top. Next, click the Inbox tab in the top navigation menu. This is where Gmail controls how your inbox is organized, including the category tabs that appear across the top of your messages. On the Inbox settings page, find the section labeled Categories. This section includes checkboxes for the different tabs Gmail can show, such as Primary, Social, and Promotions. To disable the Promotions tab, locate Promotions in the list and uncheck the box next to it. At this point, the tab is not removed yet, because Gmail still needs you to save the change. Now scroll all the way to the very bottom of the settings page. Gmail places the confirmation buttons at the bottom, so keep scrolling until you see Save Changes. Click Save Changes to apply your update. After you save, Gmail will reload automatically. Once it finishes reloading, look at the top of your inbox where the tabs normally appear. The Promotions tab should now be gone, and promotional emails will no longer be separated into that category tab. That covers everything you need to know.